And the word of the day is sympathique. SYMPA for short. Sympathique means nice, kind, friendly, likable, good when talking about a person. For instance, Claire est une personne très sympathique. Claire is a very nice person. Claire is a really good person. Sympathique is very versatile and can also be used to describe a place, a thing, an idea, a concept, an ambiance that you like and enjoy. In which case it means pleasant, enjoyable, fun. For instance, c'était un week-end très sympathique. It was a very pleasant weekend. It was a very fun weekend. It was a fun weekend. Alright, let's pretend we're not having a light problem here and just go on with the video, right? Now, most people in France wouldn't say sympathique. It's too long, it sounds too formal. It's more common to use the casual and shorter version of sympathique, which is sympa. Sympa. C'est un type sympa. It's a nice guy. Merci, c'est sympa. Thanks, that's kind of you. Thanks, I appreciate it. There you have it. Follow me for more daily vocabulary in French. Salut!